Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into MetaMask, one of the most popular crypto wallets connected to Ethereum. Let's take a closer look. MetaMask is a self-custody wallet and your gateway to Ethereum's decentralized apps. It lets you access decentralized exchanges, gaming platforms, and more without downloading the entire blockchain. Compatible with browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. It supports Ethereum's ERC20 and ERC71 tokens. You control your private keys and sign every transaction yourself. MetaMask uses a 12-word recovery phrase as a backup. MetaMask has a lot of advantages. First of all, it supports ERC20 tokens and Ethereum-based dapps, making it super versatile. It also works with hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, giving you extra security. Plus, you can buy crypto using ACH, card payments, or even PayPal. And if you're worried about gas fees, you can adjust them to fit your needs. MetaMask has some limits. It only works with Ethereum-based tokens and NFTs, so you can't store Bitcoin or Solana. There's no desktop app, just a browser extension and a mobile version. Also, it doesn't have built-in two-factor authentication, so your security depends on your password and secret phrase. Still, MetaMask offers a variety of features that make managing your crypto assets both convenient and secure. For example, you can buy, trade, and earn rewards on cryptocurrencies and NFTs without relying on a centralized exchange. Transfer your tokens directly to hardware wallets like Trezor or Ledger from the MetaMask extension for added security. As an open-source platform, MetaMask's code is transparent and available for inspection, ensuring trust and security. MetaMask is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned crypto users. You can easily connect to a wide range of decentralized applications, such as Uniswap, Axie Infinity, and Decentraland. While Ethereum is the default network, MetaMask also supports other Ethereum-compatible networks like Polygon, Optimism, and more. Start by installing the MetaMask extension for Chrome only from the official MetaMask website to avoid phishing scams. You'll then have two options: import wallet if you already have one, or create a new wallet if you're starting fresh. When you select create a new wallet, you'll be asked to share usage data. Select either no thanks or I agree. This step is optional and won't affect your wallet's functionality. Set a strong password, enter it twice, tick the box, confirming you understand MetaMask cannot recover your password, and click Create a New Wallet. Once that's done, you'll see a choice. Protect your wallet by securing your secret recovery phrase or skip this step. It's highly recommended to protect your wallet. Click Secure My Wallet to proceed. You'll then see your secret recovery phrase, your key to accessing your wallet and funds. Click Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase to view it. Write down the 12 words and store them offline in a secure location. Avoid saving it digitally, as hackers can easily access online storage. Now, click on the Next button and enter the missing words in the gaps. After confirmation, click Confirm to complete the setup. If you choose not to secure your wallet during setup, you can do so later. However, without your recovery phrase, you cannot restore access to your wallet if it's lost. MetaMask Portfolio is a feature that lets you track all your crypto assets in one place. To get started, hit the plus button in the dashboard and add your Coinbase or Binance account. Just select Coinbase Exchange, log in, and hit Allow Access to connect it. Once it's all set up, your Coinbase assets will pop up in your MetaMask portfolio. Now you can easily switch between your MetaMask wallet and your linked accounts to see everything in one place. By default, MetaMask uses the Ethereum network, but you can easily add more. If you go to this section, you will see the drop-down menu where you will find other supported networks. Scroll down to Network Settings, and from there, you can toggle on any network you want to use. MetaMask is perfect for Ethereum users, offering seamless dApp integration, custom gas fees, and hardware wallet support. It's popular among DeFi enthusiasts and NFT collectors, but can feel complex for beginners. Trust Wallet, with its beginner-friendly mobile design, supports multiple blockchains like Bitcoin and Binance Smart Chain. It's great for managing diverse assets with built-in staking and a dApp browser. We hope this helped. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe for more crypto-related videos. Catch you in the next one.